Okay guys, so hello, welcome back to another stream. Today, I'm really sorry for, what happened with my last stream. Some of you might not know, but my last stream, I forgot to turn on my audio or my microphone. So, there's no audio at all. Well, there was audio, like the background music, but in my case right now, there was no microphone noise or my voice, but now there should be my voice, which is great. I'm checking OBS from time to time. Oh, but my face is not pleasant. It looks like I'm having a seizure or something, but I'm going to try to fix that. Just give me a second, really quick. So my green screen for some reason is kind of acting up. Let me go try to fix that. Okay, so the green screen might not be that great, but I'm just going to make it so that my face it doesn't actually go through like before. So now it should be better. But today, what we're going to be doing in this stream is we're going to be doing a Minecraft Voyage Aquatic or an hour of code tutorial. And this tutorial or this stream is mainly focused for younger people, I guess. From like preschool and primary school, they just practice, or like elementary students too, I guess. For anybody, basically, they just practice thinking and coding. This is a block code, by the way, not Python. As you can see, grades 2 plus. But we can, even younger, we could do it. So today we're going to be doing Minecraft Voyage Aquatic. So let's start. By the way, at the end of the stream, I will leave. I'm not gonna look at that. I will leave a link to this website down below. So yeah, you can look at this if you want, but it's just like a little story. But I'm not gonna be looking at that today, because all the instructions are already inside of the code itself. So now we gotta choose what character we want. I will do Steve. Okay, click OK. And now you can see here, this is the instruction what you need to do. So in here you need supplies for the voyage ahead. Collect a boat from the chest. So this means that we have to walk to the chest, right? And then the interesting thing is that you can see here that we're only allowed 3 blocks of code. Right now we already have 2, when run and move forward. When run is used to check if you click the button, and then the rest that are following when run is basically what you're going to do. So basically, I am going to move forward once, right? But however, if we move forward only 1 block, it wouldn't get to the chest. So we need to move forward 1 more block, which is 2 blocks. There you go. Click run, and if you hear the ding, then that means you got it correct. So now we can replay, or we can continue. I'm going to continue to the second stage. Okay, perfect. Let's move on. So in here, what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be basically doing the challenges together. So we're allowed 4 blocks of code this time, okay? So we need to get into the boat. So we're going to do 1 and then turn right, okay? Then 1, 1. So basically we're going to move forward, turn right, and then we're going to move forward 1, 2. So 2 more times. 1, 2. And there's 5 blocks. 1, 1, 2. By the way, in these 5 blocks, you don't actually need to fill up all of them. If you can shorten down the code, then that's absolutely amazing. They want you to do that anyways, so that it can challenge your brain more. And in the next few challenges, I'm going to try to do that. So in here, we have to get to this cod, right? And then the cod is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's wait, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, never mind. It's 7. It's 7. How do you call it? Blocks away. So we're going to have to move forward 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now we can't do any more since the maximum is 8, and we're going to be going over the top. Okay, so basically, you might see this code as very chunky, and I'm going to show you a way to fix that later on. But right now we don't have the command inside of the blocks panel, so we can't do that, and we have to make this chunky, ugly code. So let's do it. You can see it's going to run to the cod. There we go, and Steve is happy, he caught the cod. Okay, let's move on. Okay, this one, Okay, it's okay. As you can see here, there's the repeat until, right? So this is a scenario where it's the same thing as last time, right? We have to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks to get to the object. Right now it's a dolphin, so we have to move 7 blocks to get to the dolphin. And last time, how we had to like stack more, move forward, and then move forward, and then move forward again and again and again. This time we don't have to. We have a repeat until goal. This one is to use so that we can shorten down our code, and it will repeat the line of code that is inside of this repeat uh, loop. It's called a loop, by the way. Inside of this repeat loop, it will repeat that until it finds the goal, which is the dolphin. So let's put the move forward in there, and the dolphin should be okay now. So I mean, we should get the dolphin now. Okay, let's go. There we go. We did it. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to go next one. And with this knowledge in mind that we can use the repeat, we can try to make our code more efficient. So now we need to find the Nautilus shell. I don't think this actually exists in Minecraft, or it might have, but then it doesn't. It got deleted. I don't know. But for me, it doesn't exist when I played, which is quite a long while ago. I think 2018 or something. And then what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to go get the chest over here. So how we're gonna do that is we could also make it like turn right and then move forward, then turn right again, then move forward, then turn right, then the chest would open. But we're not here to do that today. Today we're going to be trying to make our code as efficient as possible. So I can zoom that in a bit. So we're going to turn right, okay? Turn right, and then we're gonna move forward 2 blocks, and then we're gonna turn right again, right? We'll move forward 2 blocks, and it'll turn right, and then it'll find the treasure chest. So as you can see, with this amount of code, we can do this, and instead of having a bunch of code, just this much is enough. Walk, or swim, and then again, and then turn right, and there we go, the Nautilus shell. We have got it. Pretty simple. Let's move on. Okay, now we're at level 6. Okay, so right now we're going to try to get this caught, but you can see here that it needs to zigzag, right? And we're only allowed 10 blocks, but we can see this code right here, which is repeat 3 times, right? So unlike repeat until goal, the things that are different about these two is that repeat until goal basically repeats the code inside until the mission or the instruction are complete. However, repeat 3 times will only repeat what is inside of this repeat until 3 times. So there's a difference. So we're going to move 3 blocks, okay? So let's move 3 blocks, move forward 3 blocks, and then we're going to turn right. Alright? And then we're going to move forward 3 blocks again, like so. And then we're going to turn left, since we need a zigzag. However, we won't do this one more time, since this will get us to here, and it will face this way. What we can do now is we can put this whole chunk into this repeat until goal. So what we're planning to do here is to go here, turn right, turn left, go up, and turn right, and get the cod. Let's try and see if it works. And you can notice here that if this works, I would be saving 2 lines or 2 blocks of code. And yeah, let's try it. Okay. And last stretch. There we go. You can see that it is, you can shorten down your code tremendously if you use the repeat untils, which will basically not let you have too much repetitive code, only a few repetitive code. Okay. This stream is much more lonely than the last one. The last one I don't know, but I just forgot to add the like, or I mean not the like. I forgot to put on the volume or something. But yeah, let's continue. So now we're gonna go on to level 7. I'm pretty sure there's 12 in total. Okay, level 7. No, thank you. So right now we're going to also try to get to the chest, and you can see that there is 2 ways to get to the chest. To go here around to over here, or we can only go like so. For me, I think that going here is much faster and much more efficient than going all the way around. So let's try it. However, I do see, no I don't, never mind. I was going to say that I saw maybe like a way to get to here quicker than going around here, but then I realized that you had to turn over here too, so it wouldn't work anymore. I'm just gonna go through here like a normal person would. So we're gonna move forward, and then we're gonna check every time we move forward. So like until this block, we're going to check if the block to our right, which is this way, is available, or if there was a space, right? So we're gonna move a block, we're gonna check, move a block, check, move a block, check, until we're at this block. Then we check it. Then yes, it does, right? So then what do we want to do if we find a block that we can go through? We want to turn right, right? So we want to go here, and we find that we can go over here. So we're going to turn our character to the right, so it's facing this way. Then we'll move forward again and check if it's to the right, if a block is available to the right, and it's not. And then we get to this block with a sea pickle on it, and then we check again, and there is a block available. So then we turn our character to the right, which makes it facing the chest now, and then it will just move forward, move forward, move forward, and check if there's a block to the right available for it to move. And since there is none, it will go straight to the chest. And let's see. You can see I'm also saving 2 blocks again, assuming that this works. And every time you want to program, you have to plan what you are going to do out first, so that the likelihood that you're going to fail is going to be more slim. If you don't plan anything out and go with your wit, then it's going to not be as good as planning out before. So here we see a very colorful image. These are magma blocks, by the way, and they're sucking down the water, and these are lava. I'm not sure this is possible, but this is not Minecraft. So let's try getting to the cod, right? So we can go all the way around like so, which is way more efficient than just going this way. Trust me. I'm not even sure if you can go through that block. I'm pretty sure you can. So you can go over here, right? Move forward, and then turn right, okay? And then we can move, and then repeat until goal, move forward. So you can see here that I use 5 blocks only, right? And then this one will just go here, and it will go to the fish. Let's see. Oh, but you see here, these are the magma blocks. You can't go through the magma blocks. This means that we can't do the shortcut, and this means we're going to have to take the long route. So let's do that. So now let's repeat until goal. We're going to move forward, okay? And then every time we move forward, we want to check if a block is available to our right, just like we did last time. And if it is, then we're going to turn right. So our theory here is we're going to move here, then we're going to turn right, then we're going to move to here, and then we're going to turn right again, move to here, then turn right, and then get the cod, or the tropical fish, sorry. Okay, it's moving. It might take a little while, but we can wait. So there we go, and there we go. We got the tropical fish. Now let's continue, and you can see I saved 2 blocks. Okay, so now we have to get to this chest, and we can go, there's a couple of different ways that we can go about here. We can go up here, and we can go here, and here, down here, and get to the chest. Or we can go up here, here, all the way down to this red coral, to here, which is to this flower, go down to the blue block, and then go over here, then there. There's a couple ways of doing this, okay? So we can either do just like that, or we can do other stuff. So my plan wasn't as accurate as it was, but we can try the way that I think is the shortest, which is going here, then turning. By the way, I forgot to tell you, but there is if standing on block now. So I'm not sure why there's 2 of them, but basically there's these blocks, so it will check whether you're standing on something, and then it will basically just do the action you want to do from there. This is an if. It's an if. Basically, it's not the same thing as repeat. If is that it checks whether you are doing what the condition is. If you are, then it will perform the action inside of this if. But if you're not, then it won't. So we're going to check if it is on the blue coral, then turn right, okay? So move forward, and then checks if it's on the blue coral. If it is, turn right, then move forward again until this blue coral, turn right, move down here to this red coral, and then from the red coral, we're going to check if standing on again for the red coral, and if it's staying on the red coral, then we're going to turn left, okay? Keep in mind we're facing this way now. Turn left, move forward to the blue coral, turn right to the red coral, turn left to the blue coral, move forward to the blue coral again, and move forward until the last blue coral, turn right, and then to the chest. I know it sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not too complicated. So let's put a repeat until goal on top of the one run, or at the bottom of the run one, and we're going to move forward. So we're going to move forward, and we're going to check if it's on blue coral, then turn right. If it's on the red coral, then turn left, like so. So now it theoretically should work, and I am saving 2 blocks, by the way. Move on, move, like so. There we go. There is around 4 levels left, not 4, 3, and the last level is you don't have to do. Okay, let's move on. Move. I think we got it. I'm pretty sure we got it. We did. Okay. So yeah. Now once we've got it, we can just continue to the next level. Next one. Oh, okay. Level 10 is to get the squid, right? So I can see 2 ways to do this, I'm pretty sure. We can go here and then go down here, then to the squid, or we can go around inside of a spiral to the squid. And I am going to go through the spiral because I think it's the shortest way. Well, it's not the shortest way for Steve, of course, but it's the shortest way for our code. Make our code most efficient. So let's put a repeat until goal down. And if it's on the sea lantern, by the way, these are the sea lanterns, then what we'll do is we're going to turn right, okay? Then we're going to move forward. We're going to put the move forward here, okay? Move forward. If on sea lantern, then turn right. So theoretically, this should turn all the way around to this squid, which is our goal. As you can see, it is running around, and it should be there. There we go. Now we got the squid. Now once we've done this, we're going to just continue with the next one. Okay, so number 11. Okay. Now we're going to make a conduit. What a conduit does, it allows you to breathe underwater within that radius. Okay, you need I'm pretty sure you need a turtle egg to make the conduit, and then you need other stuff. I'm not sure, but basically you have to activate the conduit, or you have to build something around the conduit. And yeah, and it's not that easy to build a conduit, and it's not that useful in Minecraft. So if you're trying to build a conduit, I don't recommend you doing it unless you're trying to farm tridents from drowned. I'm going on a tantrum, but basically drowned are zombies that have been in water for a long time, and then they turn into drowned, and then sometimes during the drown they can be holding stuff like a trident, and then to farm drowned, you need to stay underwater for a long period of time, and then you basically kill them, and then if they drop the trident, which is really rare, then you would be lucky, and that's why you'd build a conduit for that. But other reasons, you like want a underground house or something, then you could, or you could put Aqua Infinity on your helmet. But you know, there's lots of ways. Or respiration. I'm sorry, respiration on your helmet, and you should be okay. But anyways, we're not doing that now. We're going to build a conduit. So what we're gonna do is, you can see that there on the corners there are sea lanterns, and on the sea lanterns we're going to be turning right, just like last time. And every time we move forward, though, we want to place a prismarine block. So let's do repeat until conduit is complete. Move forward, place prismarine block, and then if standing on sea lantern, then turn right. So you can see now that there is actually no limit to the code. So it's just this last challenge, and then the 12th level is just a freestyle kind of game. You can do anything. So let's just run this code. Okay, you can see that Steve is placing down the how you call it? Oh, the conduit. No, I forgot. Sorry guys. I'm gonna reset really quick. I'm sorry. I needed to turn right. Okay. Oh, I forgot about that. I did turn left. Okay, now it should go over there. Alright, perfect. And then for the level 12, it is actually not, how do you call it, a coding challenge anymore. It's just like a, how do you call it, it's a free, oh, I'm done. It's a sandbox, kind of. So Steve is done building the conduit, and we have completed it. Let's continue. Oh, yay, it's this again. No, thank you. Okay, let's move on. So you can see here it is a nice little sandbox area. I am going to do something. You don't have to, but I will. I'm going to build a little house for myself, for Steve to stay in, okay? So I am going to make it a little house of blue and red coral. And Steve is going to stay in the middle, where he can't escape anymore. So, let's do it. So, let's repeat 4 times. Repeat 4 times. And then we're gonna put another repeat in there, saying wait, we gotta make him turn around a little bit first. So we're going to turn Steve around 2 times to the back, and then we're going to make him move forward. Repeat 4 times. Move forward. Place red coral block. Move forward again. Place no, move forward 2 times a little. So place a red coral block, move forward 2 times, place I'm actually going to go like so, and then move forward 2 times, and then put a blue coral, and then we're gonna repeat that 4 times. Let's see what we do. So Steve turns around, places the red one, places the blue one, the red one. Oh, I forgot. I needed the wait, reset. I need to turn right at the end. It's a little momentum, not the momentum. How do you call it? A monument. A monument. Yeah. Sorry, I can't speak English. It's a little monument for Steve. It looks quite cool. Like so. There we go, Steve. There we go. Yeah, Steve likes it. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So it's like a fidget spinner, if you think. It's kind of like a fidget spinner, and then I'm pretty sure Steve likes it. It's a little monument for him as a trophy for being with us throughout this whole entire journey. And I would like to thank you, any of my watchers who's actually been throughout this entire stream. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this stream, 20 minutes long. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me click finish, and let's see what we get. So we actually get code that we can go, and we're going to paste it in here. Okay, I am pretty sure it's going to give us a certificate. Oh no, it doesn't. Oh, here is the certificate, and you can just print your name here, Jemmy, click submit, and then we can just download it from there. So save image as, and then we can download it to our downloads certificate, and we can open it and see what it is. There we go. Pretty impressive. So yeah, you can do this if you want. It's quite fun to do. Like if you have nothing to do anymore, you want to practice some coding and some logic, then just go ahead into this link. I will put it down in the description. And yeah, I hope you have a fun time there. Thank you for watching today's stream. I'm sorry about the last one. And yeah, anyways, goodbye for now. Bye.